Hello everyone and welcome to Short Reviews. Today we will be reviewing the L'Oreal Paris Sleek It Iron Street Hairspray. It promises to give 3 days sleek straight hair and also promises to protect your hair with up to 450 degrees of Fahrenheit of heat. I have used tons and tons and tons of hairsprays, and believe me, this was a big shocker for the price it comes at. This big bottle comes at about $4. You can get it at Amazon, Walmart, CVS, right and everywhere. It sprays the right amount of product into your hair. I usually spray it after a shower, comb my hair through, and then use straightening iron to straighten my hair. I do naturally have wavy hair, but I have seen this works great on somebody who has really curly hair as well. And this controls the frizz. My hair stays straight for up to 3 days. On the fourth day, it becomes a little bit stiff. But overall, I think it's perfect if you're planning to use it or you wash your hair after a couple of days. It does have some smell when you initially spray it, but it goes away after a few minutes. So if you have sensitive nose, that might be a little off-putting. Overall, it does not give any sticky feeling, no itching of the scalp, no rash or redness anywhere. I think this is very good for people who have sensitive scalps. And the hair feels very shiny, very smooth, very sleek. It's very smooth to touch and stays straight for almost 3 days. So overall, I feel this is an amazing product. You should give it a try. I personally think that the 3 day sleek straightening claim is a little over the board. For 2 days, it's perfect for me. For the third or fourth day, I feel like I need to wash my hair and redo it again. So overall, it's a great hairspray. You can also use it as an hair. It as a heat protectant when you're curling your hair. So definitely give it a shot and let me know how you like it. If you like short reviews and don't want to waste your valuable time going digging into an hour long review, please like and subscribe my channel. I come up with reviews every single day and I introduce you to some amazing products which are going to be loved and used again and again by you. Thank you and have a great day.